Chapter 4 States of the Northern Plains. Main points. States of the Northern Plains. States of the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains are to the south of the Northern Mountains, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam are the states, and Delhi and Chandigarh are the union territories located in this region. Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers flow through this region. Landforms. Land in the northern plains is flat, with some small hills found at some places. Soil in this region is fertile and suitable for high agricultural production. Nearly all types of crops are grown in this region, so northern plains are also called the food bowl of India. The flat land of plains is also suitable for establishing roadways and railways and for establishing industries. Climate. The northern plains have hot summers and cold winters with good amount of monsoon rain. Punjab. Punjab is located in the northwestern part of our country. Its border touches Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. Important cities: Chandigarh, Mohali, Ludhiana, Amritsar and Jalandhar are the important cities of Punjab. Ludhiana is famous for woolen products and machineries. Rivers: Satluj, Ravi and Beas are the main rivers that flow through this state. Vegetation. Agriculture is done on a large part of Punjab. There are no dense forests here. Some trees which grow here are shisham, eucalyptus, babool and khair. Agriculture. Punjab has high agricultural production. The main crops grown here are wheat, rice, maize, mustard, sugarcane, barley, cotton and potatoes. Haryana. Haryana is to the south of Punjab. Its border touches Punjab, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Haryana is mainly an agricultural state. Most of its part have flat, fertile land. Important cities: Chandigarh, Faridabad, Rohtak, Karnal, Gurugram, Panchkula and Ambala are important cities of Haryana. There are many industries in Faridabad. Surajkund Fair is famous as a craft fair. Rivers. Yamuna and Ghaggar rivers flow through Haryana. Vegetation: shisham, neem, babool, chiku, peepal and berry are found here in good number. Agriculture. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Main crops grown here are wheat, rice, millets, barley, maize, sugarcane, potatoes and cotton. Fruits like mango and guava are also grown here. Chandigarh, Union Territory. Chandigarh is the Union Territory of India as it is capital for both Punjab and Haryana. This city was planned and built by Le Corbusier, a French architect. Its border touches both Punjab and Haryana. Rivers. No river exists in Chandigarh. Vegetation: neem, babool, khair and shisham trees are found in good numbers in Chandigarh. Delhi, Union Territory. Delhi is the capital of India. It is known as the National Capital Territory or NCT of Delhi. New Delhi is the urban area of Delhi. Delhi has a legislative assembly, but it is a union territory. Its border touches Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. It has a large number of monuments and official buildings like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Sansad Bhavan, Supreme Court of India, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar, Jantar Mantar, etc. Rivers. Yamuna River flows through Delhi. Vegetation. Very few trees of neem and babool are seen here. Agriculture. Only vegetables and wheat are grown in Delhi. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most popular state of India. It is located in the northern plains. Its border touches Uttarakhand, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Haryana, Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Important cities: Lucknow, Allahabad, Kanpur, Agra, Mathura, Varanasi, Noida, Meerut and Ghaziabad are the main cities of Uttar Pradesh. Allahabad is famous for the confluence of Ganga and Yamuna. Rivers. Many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, Betwa and Ken flow through Uttar Pradesh. Vegetation: Neem, Peepal, Ashok, Sal, Jamun, Babool, Palas, Bale and Amaltas grow here naturally. Agriculture: rice, wheat, barley, millets and sugarcane are grown here. It is also known for growing mango, banana and papaya. There are many sugar mills in Uttar Pradesh. Bihar. Bihar is located in the northern plains of India. Its border touches Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Jharkhand. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Bihar is mainly an agricultural state. Important cities: Patna, Muzaffarpur, Bhagalpur, Gaya, Purnia, Darbhanga are the main cities of Bihar. Rivers: Ganga, Gandak, Kosi and Son are the main rivers that flow through the state of Bihar. Vegetation: Sal, bamboo, arjun, baheda, banyan, mahua, shisham etc. grow in Bihar naturally. Agriculture: rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane, pulses, vegetables and jute are grown here. Fruits like mango, banana, papaya, coconut, jackfruit, lychee, guava etc. are grown here. West Bengal. West Bengal is located in the eastern part of the northern plains. Its border touches Bihar, Jharkhand, Assam, Odisha and Sikkim. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Important cities: Kolkata, Durgapur, Siliguri, Darjeeling, Malda, Kharagpur and Asansol are important cities of West Bengal. Darjeeling is a hill station. Rivers: Hooghly, Testa, Ganga and Damodar flow through the state of West Bengal. Ganga joins Brahmaputra and make a big delta before falling in the Bay of Bengal. Vegetation: palm, sal, bamboo and oak tree grow in West Bengal in a good number. Agriculture: rice, wheat, potatoes, jute and vegetables are grown here. Fruits that are grown here are mango, banana, guava and jackfruit. The hill region of West Bengal is famous for its trees. Assam. Assam is located in the northeastern part of the northern plains. Its border touches West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Important cities: Dispur, Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Silchar, Sivasagar and Tejpur are the important cities of Assam. Rivers: River Brahmaputra and its branches are the main rivers of Assam. Vegetation: bamboo, cane, orchids, shrubs and climbers grow in Assam naturally. Agriculture: rice, wheat, maize, pulses, tea, potatoes, jute, oilseeds and sugarcane are grown here. Assam is mainly known for tea gardens. Pineapple, coconut, banana, papaya and oranges are grown here. Valued facts: many people like to live in plains for many kinds of facilities available here. Awesome fact: people living in plains are afraid of floods during monsoon season. Let's remember, the northern plains are to the south of the North Mountains. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam are states. Delhi and Chandigarh are the union territories located in the northern plains. The northern plains have hot summers, cold winters and a lot of rain in monsoon. Soil of the northern plains is very fertile and suitable for good agricultural production. Let's learn new words. Architect: a person who designs a building. Delta: a landform made before the fall of a river into a sea.